Congratulations! You're now part of an incredible alumni community.
You might be wondering what that means for you. Well, we're going to tell you in 60 seconds.
So let's start with career support. We're right there with you when you find your feet after graduation.
We will help you take your next steps with mentoring, guidance, one-on-one support, connections, boosting your CV and a network of industry experts.
And we put on events for you all year round.
Behind the scenes tours, burn suppers, pub gatherings, drinks and nibbles, professional networking events, Christmas parties.
And there are alumni associations all over the world, whether you're living abroad or just making a flying visit.
Hong Kong, London, Beijing, Boston, Vancouver, Greece, Shanghai.
And as an alumnus, you are entitled to exclusive access and great discounts.
At the uni shop and on postgraduate courses and at the library, gym and for weddings.
In our alumni magazines, our e-newsletters and on social media, you can find out about all this and more.
Stories, competitions, quizzes, research news, alumni awards, event invites.
So there's lots for you to get involved in.
Loads.
Your journey as an alumnus starts today.
And the alumni team are on that journey with you. What will your next steps be?
I'm so bemused by you coming in, I don't know.